It's a really important day for this university as we install our 10th Chancellor, George L. Cooper.
Former Chancellors John Bragg and Lynn Lowen will present George L. Cooper with his official regalia.
The Chancellor embodies the values and the mission of the university. The Chancellor helps represent the university locally, regionally, nationally, and internationally. And importantly for every student in the room, the Chancellor is the one individual who is empowered with the authority to confer your degrees.
Universities like ours produce the next generation of leaders, innovators, poets, artists, musicians, entrepreneurs, and citizens. This is all demonstrably true. But on the things which cannot be measured, the friendships formed, the lives enriched, the moments that temper the heart and soothe the soul, undergraduate education makes all the difference. It has for me, it did for my parents, and does so for all who have had the privilege to attend a place like this. I am genuinely overwhelmed by the generosity of this community to allow me the honor of serving in this role. But in all things, persistent effort over time usually pays, and so I'll start there. Thank you so much.